Let's learn English, phrasal verbs, idioms, slangs and connected speech.
Listen. Phrasal verb. Face up to.
Enfrentar, encarar, fazer frente a, lidar com, aceitar e enfrentar uma situação difícil.
She finally decided to face up to her fears and apply for the leadership position. You must face up to the consequences of your decisions instead of blaming others. The company had to face up to increasing competition from international businesses. He couldn't face up to his parents after lying about the missing money. She faced up to the truth even though it was painful to accept. Many people avoid facing up to uncomfortable realities for far too long. Our team must face up to every challenge if we want to achieve success. The government needs to face up to the economic crisis with practical solutions. Young entrepreneurs often face up to unexpected obstacles during their first business ventures. You cannot ignore your problems forever because eventually you must face up to them. She learned to face up to stressful situations with patience and confidence. Every responsible adult eventually has to face up to life's difficulties. After years of denial, he finally faced up to his financial problems. The athlete had to face up to the fact that his career was ending. She bravely faced up to her diagnosis and focused on moving forward.
Let's learn idioms.
I tend to bite off more than you can chew at dinner parties. He had to bite the bullet and tell his boss the bad news. The old car finally bit the dust after many years of service. Losing the championship was a bitter pill to swallow. Seeing that old photograph was a blast from the past. Her calm reaction to the news was a blessing in disguise. Letting the blind lead the blind is a bad idea for this project. After a long day, I like to blow off steam at the gym. He decided to blow this popsicle stand and move to a new city. My brother loves to blow his own horn about his achievements. Her explanation was just blowing smoke and not the real reason. He was blue in the face after running up the steep hill. Let's learn American slangs. He has a lot of coins saved in his bank account. He finally got the bag after closing that huge deal. She is chasing the bag and working non-stop right now. He made a rack selling his old sneaker collection online. She needs a rack to fix her broken car engine. He made 500 bands from that real estate flip. She needs more bands to buy that designer handbag. That new car cost him a grand total of $30,000. She spent $1,000 on just one pair of shoes. He is penny pinching and never buys anything full price. Let's learn connected speech. Maya said she'd bring the books tomorrow, but she hasn't arrived yet. How to know the answer before the teacher finished asking the question. How do you manage to fix the computer without watching any tutorial videos? Where did you leave your backpack after the soccer practice yesterday afternoon? When you finally called me, I was already driving back home from work. I don't know why everyone is so excited about the surprise party tonight. Gotcha, now I understand exactly what you were trying to explain earlier. Come on, we don't have much time before the movie starts at the theater. I'm so tired after working all day without taking a proper break. Smatter with your phone that it keeps turning off every few minutes. What's up? You look happier than usual today and full of great energy. Sup, are you coming with us to the beach this weekend or not?
If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.